Which is the most important reading and result? Is it carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, or the ratio, or oxygen, or excess air? Leave me a comment below which one you think it is, and the answer is in the long video. The first part of the test is in column 1, the green one, oxygen, and the figure we have now is 5%. So we can't go above 5, but we can go below. The second measurement is carbon dioxide. So as we've got a reading of 9, we can't go to 9.1 because it's not above. So we go down 1 to 8.8. The most important figure is carbon monoxide because it kills people in seconds. So we've got a figure here of 22. So the first column of the blue is 10. So we're above 10 but below 50. So that's where it is, 0.0006, which is excellent. Now we can show the customer how good or bad, efficient and inefficient the boiler is. These details need to be entered into the manufacturer's installation manual under the benchmark page. Don't forget a printout of the fresh air emission side, and the combustion side has to be left with the boiler every single year. And if you're an end user, ask for this to be done. This A4 laminated chart in glorious colour is only available from mrcombi.com from our shop. It's sent first class, large letter, and to UK postcodes only. Our website is designed for not just central heating installers but for home owners. Check out the page called Support, where there's lots of links to videos which will help you and maybe solve your problem. There's information on the books and the apps that we make. Thanks for watching and take care.